Hey guys, this is Marie. Welcome back to the channel. We are fixing to feed all the animals and get ready for this evening. It is Shelby's birthday, so we want to have all the chores done and be able to have a nice dinner and play some games and hang out with her. So we're going to take you along with us as we get it done. But first off, we're going to stop at the barn. Paula let us know that we have some boots in that HISEA sent us. So come along. Hey, Belle, are you sleeping? So Belle likes to come up and sleep in the hay in the barn during the day. She's so sweet. And then she'll be out on guard at night. Yeah. Oh, cool. Look at this here. So this is some iris as well, and this is purple base foliage. That's one of my favorite things on iris. They can have different levels of purple as well. All right, so we got some boots. They're from HISEA. Thank you, Kiki. She reached out to me and she asked me if I needed any more boots, and I said yes. I was actually looking for a pair. And one thing that I'm looking for is that I've noticed boots are heavier now. Like since losing weight, I'm just not as strong, and that the weight really bothered me. So I asked her for what she recommended, and she recommended the shorter boot, and it was lighter weight. So we're gonna give it a whirl. She sent me and Fifi a pair, and we'll see how they work. I just want to say thank you from HISEA as well. It's comfy so far. It feels soft, like squishy. I think a neoprene. Very nice, very nice. I'll probably have to ask Kiki. Why? Oh, it has this nice little thing for pulling on.
Oh, let me see.
That's
oh,
nice.
Yeah, I like those.
Oh, it has a little push-off thingy.
Oh, take them off. Let's see how quick you take them off. Wow.
Wow. I didn't even get, I wonder if we'll get our socks muddy. Because that's the biggest thing with muck boots is trying to get them off.
Yeah.
And not get muddy getting them off.
Yeah.
Like, I've just accepted black socks because you can't see mud stains on them. But that's pretty comfy so far. Here, you try yours on.
Okay. Hold that. I always walk around in my slides.
Yeah.
Because you just rinse these off with the hose.
Yeah. But now that you're in deeper mud, they get sucked off.
Yeah. Ooh, they do feel light.
Yeah. Should we weigh them?
Let's see.
Probably nobody's weight. We're probably the only one.
Well, if we compared it to another weight of a boot, 1.8. It almost weighs as much as Wee Man. Wee Man's 1.6.
Oh my god.
We got two little Wee Mans on our feet.
Yeah. And Wee Man's pretty light.
He is. Oh, wow.
Yeah, those are
Like a
pretty
cloud.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Those are pretty comfy. But we'll put the link in the description.
They said they have a lifetime warranty of 100 years. 2 steps, 1 minute to sign up.
Huh.
We gotta keep that card.
Will you remember to sign up?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody, let's take bets. Let's take bets if Fifi signs us up.
Okay, I will.
Okay.
Not today.
I can bet you that I will not. Like returning things. I never return things.
Oh, wow.
Those are pretty comfy. Oh, I cut your head off.
Oh, I know. It was hard to get a good angle. They are comfy.
Yeah. Like here's the thing is I would actually buy these. Like these are pretty comfy.
You think you can run fast in them?
No, I can't run fast, period. My right leg, ever since I got dislocated, You can run fast.
Yeah, way better than boots.
Let me see.
That's what matters, because the boots are heavy when you run in them.
I'm scared that I'm gonna lose traction and eat it. You're like, at least it's on camera. That's pretty good.
Yeah, they're not so heavy.
Yeah.
Our calves won't be sore after running after our pony.
Like, or running away from a ram.
Yeah.
Or ostrich is more like it. That's actually our workout goals. Is I can't, since I've lost weight, I can't get, like I'm not strong. I can't get over the fence fast enough anymore.
We're working on it.
Yeah, we're going to CrossFit.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna get there. But anyways, let's get the animals fed.
We just throw them shoes away.
What are you talking about? We never throw anything away.
These are so much better.
These are comfy. Oh yeah, no.
We wanted the chicken ones, but they're out of stock.
Yes. Oh my gosh, they have ones with chickens all over them.
They have some cute patterns.
They have cute, and they have different types. Oh, they have fishing stuff too.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. They have waders. I just got a pair of waders.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't get the right size shoes. I never thought to get a bigger size of the shoes around the wader.
I wouldn't have thought it.
Yeah, that's why we're friends, because we
Don't
don't
feed these animals.
It's a no judgment zone.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Hey, Bill. She's a pretty girl.
I haven't moved. She lays on the porch by Lennon's door at night sometimes too.
She's so good.
I told you she came in my house one night because she heard a gunshot, right?
She's never been in the house before.
She came in and sat on my floor.
Wow. I've tried to get her to come in the house.
No, she wants to come to my house now.
So we'll see if we can start this. William can always start it.
I just started 50% of the time now.
Pull the thingy out. Pull the, what is it? Choke?
Yes, a choke.
Okay. Record me doing that.
Okay, wait.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if Marie can start this side by side.
He says pull the choke out. Put the brake in. Okay? Do it slow.
Yeah, there you go.
It's only because it was on camera that it actually worked.
Yeah, it worked. Now put it in reverse though. Someone left a comment and asked if we're gonna get a bigger one of these. I was like, as soon as this one dies. Ooh.
Oh! You better build it, sister.
Is that little Nicky?
Is that what you named him?
Yes, his name is Little Nicky. He's all alone.
Aww.
That one's Little Nicky. That little guy right there. Little Nicky. They're like, ooh, we're gonna follow you guys.
All the Muskogees that escaped are there.
They're all waiting. Here they come.
Yeah, we'll get a new side-by-side a long way.
Yeah, when this one's done.
Yeah. And it probably won't be new.
No, because these kids
But what's
are learning on this one.
Kids can drive it better than I can. Then again, anybody can drive better than I can.
Hey, if you just set them there, I'll load them up.
Okay.
Yeah. Just fill them up. Oh, look at them go. They're so quick. I didn't even know you had an all white Muscovy.
Well, you see the...
I see little spots.
Yeah, she's not all the way white, but she is, you know.
Yeah.
I need to get her up my neck.
Itsy Bitsy is the loudest pig out of them all. I just want you to know.
She's also the most... It's probably someone's like, oh my goodness, here. Like,
Huh? No, yeah, we'll go over there and see you guys. Here, I'll throw him a little handful. There we go. One more bucket. Here we go. Okay. This big one first.
are your overalls supposed to be twisted?
Yeah, because they're loose because they're vintage. So the elastic up top
Oh, okay.
doesn't work right.
Okay.
These are
They're cute.
90s.
They're cute. I like them. Is it bad? I was like, man, those look like what I used to wear to high school.
I can't hear you.
Is it bad? I was like, those look like what I used to wear to high school.
Yes, these are what you were.
Yeah.
Yep.
I do have to say I like these shoes.
Me too.
Actually, pretty comfy.
We'll see how much mud they collect. Some boots collect a bunch of mud. I'm thinking that's probably all they're going to collect.
Yeah. And then that's the thing is then your boots get so, your feet get so heavy.
They get heavier as you keep working in the mud.
Yeah.
Like your mud boots,
Ugh.
by the time you're done,
Are your legs sore in those
Yes.
too? Okay, I
my
was.
calves are sore from walking with them with all the mud
I
on
didn't
them.
know. I thought it was me. Like I was just a weakling.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, thank you, HISEA. We had one pair of working muck boots between the two of us.
Yep.
Here.
Okay, let's go and feed. Oh, since we're right here, we did feed the llama.
Llama?
Yeah.
Well, then the pigs won't.
Oh yes, pids first. No, you shouldn't do it that long.
Really?
Yeah. You need to flood it.
We're gonna not put that on a job application.
No.
What are you? Oh, we're useless.
That one for the pig. Here, you carry the camera, I'll carry 2 buckets.
Yeah, okay.
Pigs need 2 buckets, right?
No,
No, just the one?
no, they are so fat.
Just one?
Yeah. Well, one in this little.
That one's for the other piggy.
Okay.
You fed the llama? No, we don't do that.
Yeah. So yeah, if you guys just imagine this is a smooth transition and I'm not like trying to just lug this.
Oh, Mickey.
There's my chicken.
Mama hen. What does she
He
do?
does his little foot stomp.
She didn't do it this time. I love it when she does it.
Me too. It's a busy moment.
Oh my goodness. There's Ham Ham.
He was going fast now.
That's like as fast as Ham Ham goes.
That is speed walking for him.
Yeah. Like I bet he's gonna be like huffing and puffing.
Yeah. Hey Ham Ham, what you doing? You're so beautiful.
Yes. Handsome.
He's like, I was promised food.
It's like I heard there was food over here.
He's so big.
Yeah.
So handsome.
Ham Ham is handsome.
She's like, what you got?
Yeah. I'm fixing to go fill up your feeder, girlfriend.
Yeah, since the piggies are gone.
Yeah.
You need to eat in peace.
Yeah.
Come on.
Part 2.
Part 2, turning on side by side.
Yeah. He tells me to do it slow.
There's something wrong with it. Could it be out of gas?
I don't.
Could it be out of gas?
I don't know.
How do you check that?
Right here. Gotta lift the seat. Yeah. That's F, right? Full. Okay. Yeah, it's gas.
Okay. We could use the wagon.
Yeah. We could.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Here you go.
Where's the wagon? Pop-Tart came to check on us. Pop-Tart! Pop-Tart! She's like, you're taking too long to get my food over there, Marie.
Pop-Tart is like, you guys are not going fast enough. Get to using them Lamber feedies and get our feed done. So
Here, Pop-Tart.
she's probably like, she doesn't want it now that oh, she did. All right, and this is why quite a few of your animals have an obesity problem. I'm here for it.
She's happy.
Yeah, she is. She's adorable.
She is adorable. And her little friend gets more food now, too.
Yeah.
All you bums. Okay.
Little bums.
Bucket by buckets.
Okay.
We can probably only pull 3. Okay. The tires are kind of...
Yeah. There's just a list of stuff. Something.
that we need to do because it will make chores easier.
Yes.
That's probably all you could carry.
Okay.
It's hard to pull.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if I can get it through the mud.
You want me to?
No.
They're pretty heavy.
Huh?
They look pretty heavy.
Ooh.
No, Pop-Tart! Oh my. Whoop. Okay, Pop-Tart's in.
Yep. That's as far.
Okay.
That's all she wrote.
You got it stuck in there!
Now that I got it stuck in the mud, you want to see if you can lug it out?
You're like, Fifi, fix my problems! Watch out behind me, you guys!
Oh, sorry.
It's all right.
I didn't mean to push too hard. Here, you want to hold this while I dump their troughs?
Look, they can't wait. You are so pretty. What's up? Oh yeah, the water after it rained. Hey. You're so pretty.
They're so funny.
They're a little bit impatient. Okay, let's go and feed the ostriches.
Yep.
Oh, there's William. Watch out for the goats. And one more bucket, right, for the goats?
See, ostrich.
Donkeys, the other pen, and then goats.
The other pen. What other pen?
The pen with the other ponies.
Oh yeah, yeah, and ducks too. The ducks out in the pasture.
So I will carry those two. We'll turn off the camera.
Okay,
I'll carry those 2 buckets.
I'm gonna go through the yard.
Yes.
Okay. Come on, y'all. This little filly is so cute. So I gotta, don't let me forget, I need to check and see if Shelby's birthday presents are in. I need to
Okay.
get her little present wrapped.
Then we got the
And-
cake in the fridge or the
Yes.
freezer. She got ice cream cake, right?
Yeah.
I heard her saying ice cream
I know
cake.
now that they're older, they don't want like the cake that I used to always make. Now they want like the cool ice cream cake, which I don't blame them.
Yeah.
You know, that's fine. Hey y'all.
Hey, Ozzy. He is checking you out, Marie.
Hey Ozzy.
He's like, what did you bring me today?
It is dinner time.
He's so cute.
That is Ozzy, and let me see. I gotta look at their heads.
The curly top.
Yeah,
right?
this is Sharon.
Ooh.
Yep, and that's Karen in the back.
Hey, Ozzy.
They're hot messes. They're so funny.
They are. They eat a lot.
Yeah,
Yes.
they do.
2 of these buckets a day. It's crazy.
Yeah. I mean, granted, the goats, they steal some of it.
Yeah.
but-
Ooh. Oh, too close. Sorry. Ooh, he's pretending to eat your finger.
Ooh, he's like, I'm like attempting to try and eat your finger. They're so fun.
They are. Look at all 3 of
Oh,
them.
wow. Like Karen's not as friendly.
Yeah. She's like, what is everybody getting that I'm not getting?
They're finally starting to get along. She has a prettier head, I think. Like, I like I think her eyes look more feminine. Who knows if that's an ostrich characteristic that you're looking for, but
Just in
pretty.
case.
Yeah, just in case.
Okay, let's go on and feed the donkeys down there. Say hi to Brandon. Cutie Pie has still not had a baby yet. Can you believe this, Marie?
No. And we have the Perlino mare that she's dripping milk. And,
Oh, wow.
Yeah, she still hasn't had a baby either.
She does not want anybody near her.
No.
She's like, all my food.
Yes.
That's why we have to pour that big old line. Cutie Pie, don't worry.
Snickers. I love when they start to figure out grain. Where's Brandon at? Oh, he stayed over there.
He's like,
Oh, that's Brandon.
he's like, where do you guys go?
Yeah.
He missed,
I was like, he's never
missed the
not
memo.
here. He did miss the memo. Hey, Snickers.
Him and Fireball were playing, or yeah, Fireball was playing this morning.
You're so cute. You're so cute.
I
She's
never-
still not totally sure about it.
Oh,
like,
she's not?
how they like shake their head and see how she's dropping it a lot.
Hmm.
But,
Oh, yeah, I see. She's like, I don't know. She's like, yes.
Yes. It's like no problem
No
here.
second guessing.
All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get this done so we can get our chores done and get to work.
They must be losing their winter coat of how much lighter they all are.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, Fireball. No, sorry. Hey, Snickers. Hey, Snickers. Now we just have the duckies.
Yes.
They've probably been busy all morning eating the insects coming out the wet grass.
Especially from the rain.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I wanted to say thank you for coming along with us today. Today's been Shelby's birthday. It's been a fun day. You want to tell them about your birthday?
Today my friends got me presents, and I still don't feel 12. I feel 11.
You feel 11?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, we're going to get into this cake, get the candles lit before it melts. I wanted to say thank you guys for coming along. If you would like to see our future content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the all notifications. Till we see you next time, embrace your random. Bye-bye.
Bye.